all, welcome back, and I hope you have enjoyed yesterday's session. And here we are for today's class. So, Karishma ma'am, good morning.
Good morning, Akshra ma'am, and good morning, our dear kids. How are you all? How are you, Akshra ma'am?
Yeah, I am feeling awesome, ma'am, because we have done such a great time activities yesterday, and I practiced it with my kiddos at house also. So that was something really fun. So you have planned something for today also?
Yes, many more exciting things to play for boost our brain and to make us genius.
Oh wow, that's nice. And as we all know, our kids, we should work on their overall development. So that has 5 points. That is physical development, mental development, emotional development, spiritual development, and
Social development.
emotional development. Yes. So now we have the activity for the day, that is mental development. So, Karishma ma'am, what you have planned for us today?
A game which mentally develops our brain. And I think you
Wow.
also know this game.
Yes, I have heard about this before that many big persons, adult people, they play Sudoku. But can we play it for our kids?
Yes, our kids can also play. They are born genius. They know about the
Yes.
colors and they will know the rules of the game and they will play. It's very easy for them.
Oh, wow, that's nice. So you mean to say we can do the mental development for our kids with the help of Sudoku. So, ma'am, you need
Yes.
to explain me the rules about it.
Okay, as we can see, we have four rows horizontally. We have four rows vertically. And we can notice there are four colors: red, yellow, blue, and green. So what we have to do? We have to make a row complete of separate four colors. We don't have to repeat any color, either horizontally or
Mhm.
vertically. So let's play by not repeating any color in any of the row. हमें color repeat नहीं करना.
So you mean to I have to fill the color.
Yes, I mean to say we'll play Sudoku by not repeating the color in any of the row, whether horizontally or vertically. We will fill it with the different four colors. That is red, yellow, blue, and green. So are you ready to play? Are you ready to play Sudoku with us?
Yes,
Do you
ma'am.
want to fill colors in the columns?
Yes, I am feeling very excited. And आपने इसके लिए कोई countdown भी रखा है क्या, ma'am? Like any countdown seconds are there, limited time is there.
No, ma'am, we are playing first time, so we'll play without countdown and let's see कि हम fill कर भी पा रहे हैं या नहीं. I am a kid.
Okay, so let us play this game. But yes, we can keep a countdown of like 30 seconds. क्या हम थोड़ा सा time बढ़ा दें अपने बच्चों के लिए?
Yes.
ओके, सो आपको कल हमने 15 सेकेंड्स दिए थे आपके काउंटडाउन गेम को कंप्लीट करने के लिए, बट टुडे वी आर एक्सटेंडिंग दिस बिकॉज सुडोकू इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू, बट हाँ, अगर करिश्मा मैम कह रही है तो हम सब इसे बहुत एंजॉय करने वाले हैं. सो लेट अस प्ले विद द सुडोकू गेम काउंटडाउन. ओके, लेट अस स्टार्ट. ओके, सो आई हैव टू फिल द कलर्स, राइट?
Yes. So now you also are a teacher of mine?
Yes, I am the student of yours right now. Let me see what will come here. Blue?
Oh,
Oh, no, no, no,
no.
no.
Blue will be repeated.
Oh, no, time's up. Oh, no, I have just
Oh,
filled one color.
it's
Oh, my
okay. We
God.
can see which color will come.
Okay, so let us see, ma'am, what is the answer? Because Aksha ma'am has lost this. Oh, wow. Yes, this is
Yes,
possible. I
yes,
can
we can
see.
notice each row has different four colors: red, yellow, blue, and green. We can see.
Yes, we can see only red one at a time in horizontal also and in vertical line also. So kiddos, आप ये गेम खेल सकते हो. अक्षरा मैम तो हार गई हैं. अक्षरा मैम will definitely do practice with it. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to just take you have to just make one big square, divide it into 4 rows vertically and horizontally. आप vertically भी उसे divide कर सकते हैं और horizontally भी divide कर सकते हैं और that accordingly you will come with 16 blocks. तो 16 blocks आपके पास आ जाएंगे और उसके बाद आपको उसमें colors arrange करने हैं. So no repetition, not neither in vertical line nor horizontal line. Okay, Karishma ma'am, that sounds interesting. So, ये तो रहा हमारा mental development. Ma'am, let us give our kiddos some emotional development also. So, yesterday हमने Epic Library से physical development का book पढ़ा था. And today I have got you something related to emotional development. तो मैम आप मेरे साथ रीडिंग करना पसंद करेंगे? Karishma ma'am, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, I am saying, can we do one emotional development for our kids? I have got one epic library book for the emotional development of my kids. And here it is. You know what it says? This book says about Big Bear Hug. This book is about Big Bear Hug. ओके किडोस, आपका जो ये बुक है ना, ये बिग बेयर हग से रिलेटेड है. आप सबको पता है व्हाट इज द पावर ऑफ हग? एक हग में कितनी
Yes,
पावर
ma'am.
होती है, डू यू नो?
Hug can remove any pain, whether it's from parents or from the friends. By having a hug, we forget all our pains and we just become happy.
Yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right. With a warm hug, everyone becomes so happy. And
I
so is
daily
this.
hug my mother before sleeping and after waking up.
Oh wow, that's nice. तो मैम आप मम्मा को ही हग करते हो, मतलब हम सिर्फ अपनी मम्मा को ही हग कर सकते हैं?
No, अपने पापा को भी कर सकते हैं. We love both, mama and papa.
Yes, we can hug everybody in our family and yes, अभी सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के लिए हमें कहा है तो हम किसी भी आउटसाइडर को गेस्ट को हग नहीं करेंगे बट यस अ हग कैन मेल्ट एनीथिंग. सो हम एक बुक रीड करेंगे. दिस इज अबाउट बिग बेयर हग एंड इट टेल्स अस अबाउट द पावर ऑफ अ हग. हग में एक गले लगने से ये जो इमोशन है उसका क्या इफेक्ट होता है, पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट, वो हम इस बुक में रीड करने वाले हैं. तो करिश्मा मैम, लेट अस रीड.
Okay, I am ready and even excited. What can we have in the beer hug?
Yes. There once was a bear so filled with love and happiness that whenever he roamed the forest and came across another living thing, he would give it a hug. So आपको पता है कि दोस्त वो क्या करता था? एक एक बेर था, एक बिग बेर था, बहुत बड़ा बेर. और वो जब भी किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म या किसी भी थिंग्स के पास जाता था तो वो उसको बहुत टाइट हग देता था. लेट अस सी व्हाट ही यूज्ड टू डू एंड व्हाई. Everywhere he wandered, the bear shared his love hug by hug. वाओ, जहां भी वो जाता हर एक चीज को, हर एक पर्सन को अपना हग शेयर करता, टू शेयर द लव, अपना लव उनके लिए एक्सप्रेस करते हुए. He even hugged creatures that bears have been known to eat. This bear could meet the roundest little rabbit and he would just stop, smile, and give it a great big hug. वाओ करिश्मा मैम, वो किसी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स को भी हक करता था, और ऐसे ऑर्गेनिजम्स, ऐसे एनिमल्स जिसे तो जनरली बेर खा जाते हैं. इजंट इट स्ट्रेंज? मतलब हमने हमेशा सोचा है कि एनिमल्स तो दूसरे एनिमल्स को खा जाते हैं, बट यहाँ तो
Yes.
बेर.
Yes, I think he loves everyone, whether it's dangerous to him or the loving to him.
Yes, no animal was too big, too small, too smelly, or too scary to hug. वाओ, उसके लिए कोई भी एनिमल ना तो बहुत ज्यादा बिग था, ना बहुत ज्यादा स्मॉल
Wow,
था.
ma'am, he has a very
Yes,
great thinking. He used to take everyone same.
yes, he is treating everybody equally. मतलब अगर कोई एनिमल बिग है तो भी उसे हक करता है, अगर वो स्मॉल क्रिएचर है तो भी उसे हक करता है. Whether it is a snake, a scary snake, or a smelly animal. So उसने सब animals को hug किया है. And let's see. Oh my God, he is hugging trees also. But what this bear loved to hug most were the trees. सबसे ज्यादा उसे trees को hug करना पसंद था. वो trees को, पेड़ों को गले लगा के बहुत happy होता था. The bear
Yes,
never
ma'am,
met.
even we should love the trees as it gives oxygen to us to breathe. We should plant more and more trees and plants in our house.
Yes, you are right, Karishma ma'am. We should always plant more and more trees and we should always take care of trees. I think ये जो bear है ना, वो सबको equally treat करता है अपना love express करने के लिए. और कितना अच्छा way of expression है अपनी emotions को express करने का. वो सबको एक tight hug देता है और अपनी feelings को express कर देता है. और किसी को छोटा, बड़ा, बुरा, भला नहीं समझता. Everybody is equal for him. Okay, the bear never met a tree he did not like. Wow, उसने कभी भी किसी tree को unlike नहीं feel किया. Every trees he saw, he used to hug them. Big trees, little trees, apple trees, pear trees, peach trees. This bear hugged them all. You know, Karishma ma'am, what is a little tree? Small trees को हम क्या कहते हैं? Do you know?
No, ma'am, baby plant.
No, we call them shrubs and herbs. जो छोटे छोटे plants होते हैं ना, उन्हें हम
Yes,
shrub और herbs कहते हैं. They are small. They are small in size. And when they
that
grow,
means Bear loves herbs, shrubs, and trees. He is thankful to all.
yes, he is hugging and expressing love for every trees, like whether it is an apple tree or peach or pear or small or big. वो सबसे अपना प्यार एक्सप्रेस करता था, सबके लिए अपना लव एक्सप्रेस करता था by hugging them all. One day, while the bear was trying to hug a beaver and a tree at the same time, he noticed a man with an axe walking into the forest. Oh my God! एक दिन जब वो beaver को hug कर रहा था. What is beaver? Beaver is an animal which is very smelly. उसमें से बहुत smell आती है, bad smell आती है, bad odor आती है. But he was hugging him also. एंड ट्री ऑल्सो. बट उसने क्या देखा? उसने एक आदमी देखा. अ मैन ही सॉ, ही वॉज कमिंग इन टू द फॉरेस्ट विद एन axe. What is axe, Karishma ma'am? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am, it's a tool to cut wood and iron.
Yes, you are right. Axe is a tool to cut iron or wood or trees. Trees को कट करते हैं ना हंटर, जो भी हमारे मैन्स होते हैं, जितने भी ह्यूमन बींग्स होते हैं, वो ट्रीज को कट कर देते हैं एंड दे टेक अवे द वुडन पार्ट ऑफ इट फॉर द फर्नीचर्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. सो द सेम मैन वाज डूइंग, वो अपनी एक से ट्रीज को कट करने के लिए फॉरेस्ट में जा रहा था. ओ माय गॉड, आई थिंक बेर उसको खा के या उसको डरा के वहां से भगाने वाला है शायद. लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. The bear followed the man until he stopped at one of the tallest, oldest, and most beautiful trees in the forest. Oh my God, वो उसे फॉलो कर रहा है जब तक कि वो आदमी किसी अच्छे से बड़े से लंबे से ट्री के पास जाके रुक नहीं गया. So you know करिश्मा मैम, the bear is following him. I think उसको खाने वाला है ये.
Yes, ma'am. Even I am thinking why he is following him.
Yes, let us see why is he following him. Let us see. Okay. The man
Okay.
spent so much time looking at this magnificent tree that the bear thought he must love trees too. Oh my God, bear को लगा कि ये आदमी जो है वो ट्री को इसलिए देख रहा है क्योंकि ये भी ट्रीज को पसंद करता है. करिश्मा मैम, मुझे लग रहा है बेर को कुछ कंफ्यूजन हो गई है क्योंकि बेर नहीं जानता कि ये मैन तो उस ट्री को कट करने के लिए आया है ना.
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
यस एंड सी, आई थिंक उसके एक्सप्रेशन से मुझे लग रहा है ही इज अबाउट टू ईट द मैन नाउ. लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस. But to the bear's horror, the man started to chop the tree down. For the first time in his life, the bear didn't feel like hugging at all. Oh my God, ma'am. Oh my God,
Now
तो
we got to know that man is going to cut the tree, and which
yes,
bear didn't like because it was wrong to cut the trees. That's why he didn't hug that cutter. Otherwise, he used to love everyone.
yes, he used to love and hug each and everybody, but here he stopped doing it. उसे लगा ये तो यहाँ पे मेरे प्यारे प्यारे ट्रीज को कट करने आया है. Why is he doing like this? Let us see why he is doing like this. Okay, so he is not hugging the man and now he is confused. And I think now he is going to eat him. Then, just as he was about to sink his teeth into the man, the bear stopped. Oh, उसने सोचा कि मैं इसको खा जाऊं, लेकिन bear तो रुक गया. He is not doing so. Why? करिश्मा मैम, he is not eating the man. Generally तो white
Oh,
animals खा जाते हैं.
yes, ma'am. फिर इसने क्यों नहीं खाया?
I think he is thinking something else. Let us see why is he not eating man. He realized
Okay.
that no matter how angry he was, he simply could not eat the man. It just wasn't in his nature. The bear sighed, and then he decided to do what he did best. Oh wow, bear ने कभी भी किसी को हर्ट नहीं किया था ना, और कभी भी वो एंग्री नहीं होता था. तो वो तो उसका नेचर ही नहीं था. वो हमेशा कैसे बिहेव करता था सबके साथ. He used to hug
Yes, ma'am.
everyone.
If someone is wrong, that doesn't mean कि हमें भी गलत होना है. We should be bound by our nature. जैसा हमारा nature है, हमें वैसा करना चाहिए. If we want to teach something to someone, we should do in such a manner कि वो बात उसे समझ भी आ जाए and we don't hurt anyone. It can be with our friends. And you know what? I have learned a very important thing to them. If we are hugging someone or a something, that means we are thankful to them. Like if in the morning like you can see a bear is hugging the tree, that means he is thankful to the tree. He loves trees. He don't want the trees to be cut. Similarly, we love our mama, papa because we don't want to lose them and we are thankful to have them. Right, Akshara ma'am?
Yes, you are right, absolutely right. And so the bear was doing, क्योंकि उसने कभी भी किसी को गुस्सा नहीं किया था, कभी भी किसी को हर्ट नहीं किया था, तो उसने मैन को भी हर्ट नहीं कर पा रहा था. And now see what he did. He just gave the man a hug. Wow, उसने
Oh,
उस वुड कटर को भी बहुत टाइटली हग किया. Kiddos, see, the bear is hugging the man. But I think man is not comfortable. He is feeling scary. The man was not used to getting real big bear hugs. So once the bear let go, the man dropped his eggs and ran far, far away. Wow. See, Karishma ma'am, bear तो अपना love express कर रहा था, but वो wood cutter अपनी eggs को छोड़ के वहां से भाग गया.
yes. Because I think even he understands that he was wrong. He should not the cut trees because the trees gives us that thing which is very important, and that is oxygen to breathe, fruits to
Yes.
eat. So now even woodcutter knows that he was wrong. That's why he ran away.
Yes, I too think so. He was so scared that he ran away. And do you know what the bear did at the last? उसने last में क्या किया? Let
क्या
us
किया
see.
मैम?
The bear smiled and gave the tree a great big hug. The tree felt much better. Wow.
Wow, ma'am, this epic gives us so many lessons to learn.
Yes, absolutely right, ma'am. And you know, we have a quiz also. Would you like to play the quiz?
Okay. Yes, I would love
Okay.
to.
So, kiddos, let me see. You also answer in the chat box, in the chat, that what are the right answers for this quiz. So, Karishma ma'am, the first question is, which would not be a good word to use to describe the bear in this story? कौन सा word होगा जो bear को describe नहीं करता है? So can you see the options? One is happy and the other one is mean.
Ma'am, I think mean because the bear was very kind. He used to love everyone. So he
Oh
can't be
wow.
a mean.
Yes, you are right. Mean is the right answer. Let us see what is the second question. Big bear hug. Question number 2. What did the bear like most to hug? सबसे ज्यादा किसे hug करना उसे पसंद था? People, rabbits, trees or skunks?
Trees.
Okay, you are right. Very good. Oh wow,
Okay.
the next question. Why did the bear think that the man must love trees too? बेयर को ऐसा क्यों
Oh,
लगा कि मैन को भी ट्रीज बहुत पसंद होंगे?
let's
Okay,
see.
the options are the bear just thought everyone loved trees. The man had a picture of a tree on his shirt. The man spent so much time looking at a tree. The man was carrying an axe. Yes, Karishma ma'am?
Okay, I have to think a little bit.
Okay, I can give you a little time. I think it's the first one. What do you say?
The bear. Yes, even I am thinking the first one is the answer. Oh,
Oh,
you
not
got
right.
wrong.
Yes. Okay, because he thought man has spent lot of time in with trees. How did the bear protect the tree? Bear ने tree को कैसे protect किया? Let us see. He growled at the man until he ran away. He stole the man's eggs, or he gave
No.
the man a hug which scared him away.
Yes, he gave the man hug, which he scared them away.
Yes, उसने मैन को एक लंबा सा बिग टाइट हग दिया जिसकी वजह से मैन डर के भाग गया. Oh, you are right, Karishma ma'am. How did the story end? The man said he was sorry for chopping down trees. The man shot the bear and ate him. The lorex came and gave the man a seat, or the bear gave the
No.
tree a great big hug.
The bear gave the tree a great big hug.
Okay, I think this is the right answer. Yes.
Yes.
Oh wow, we got one answer wrong, but that is a nice work. Very nice. You
Yes.
are a superstar. So that was
Yes.
from Epic Library. And Karishma ma'am, now I feel to play a game for my kiddos. Would you like to play a game?
Yes, ma'am. I'm waiting for the game. I love to play games.
सो अभी हमने इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट से रिलेटेड एक बुक रीड किया है और मुझे लग रहा है कि हमें हमारे बच्चों के लिए एक इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट का गेम भी लेके आना चाहिए तो आप खेलना चाहेंगे मैम इमोशनल डेवलपमेंट का गेम
Yes, I'm excited. Let's play.
okay so I will share you a game and you know what is the game all about ma'am when you get something as a surprise how do you feel
I feel excited.
oh wow and what is the feeling
Feeling is happy. I become so happy to see the surprises for me. And you know what? When Mama Papa
wow
plan something for me, I really become so happy. या फिर जब टीचर स्टार देती है तो भी I become happy.
Yes. And when somebody takes away your chocolate, how do you feel? Yes, Karishma ma'am. I think there is a network problem. When somebody takes your chocolate, how do you feel, kiddos? I feel very sad. मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता है जब कोई हमारा चॉकलेट ले लेता है. And we have a game which is of sorting the faces. So this is a game आपको sort out करने हैं that which boy or which girl is feeling happy. We will put them in the happy box and the one who are feeling sad, we will put them in the sad box. तो आपका game है ये and now we are going to play this game. So are you ready? Okay, let us play this game. So kiddos, the first picture which I can see is of a sad boy. So I'm going to put this sad boy in the column of sad. So I am picking it up and putting him into the sad column. Okay, I can see one more picture of sad boy. So let us put this boy also into the sad column. Okay, how does this girl is feeling? Can you tell me? She is feeling sad. So let us put her also in the sad column. Okay, Karishma ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, we are playing a game where you have to sort out who is feeling sad and who is feeling happy. So are you ready
Oh,
to play this game?
yes. I can see so many mixed expressions.
Yes. So let us see. This is the first picture. Now, can you tell me how the kids are feeling happy or sad?
Okay. Kids are feeling happy.
Okay, so we are putting them in the happy column. And how
Okay.
this boy is feeling? Can you
Oh,
tell
he is
me?
sad.
Yes, so let us put him into the sad column. Okay, we have one more picture. Can you tell me how these kids are feeling? Another, we have a girl and a boy together.
They also are happy.
Oh wow, let us put them on the happy side. Okay, can you tell me how does this boy feels? The
He's
one with
looking
the
some sad.
yes, he is feeling sad, so I'm putting him into the sad column. Oh, we have one more girl with a sad smile, sad face. तो वो भी बहुत दुखी
Yes.
है, तो उसे भी हम sad column में डाल देते हैं. Oh wow, how is this boy feeling? Can you see the expression?
Yes, he is super duper happy.
Yes, I think he has gone to his school. That is why.
Yes.
Okay, we have the last image, and this is an emotion of happiness. So, how did you like the game, Karishma ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, I enjoyed and I can see many happy faces than sad faces.
Yes, that was a sorting game for my kiddos where they can sort the faces. So आप भी ये गेम घर पे प्ले कर सकते हैं. आपको कुछ फ्लैश कार्ड्स बनाने हैं and you have to just mix them. आप उसे mix कर सकते हैं and then sort these out with the help of your kid. So parents, that was all for today. Hope you have a nice day and keep enjoying your days and have a wonderful development of your child.
हेलो ऑल। सो आज आपके जीनियस सेशन में हम आपको अपने फिजिकल अपने पेरेंटिंग सेशंस में से मेंटल डेवलपमेंट का एक टॉपिक है जिसमें हम लोग बिट कार्ड्स करना बताते हैं। और बिट कार्ड क्या होता है, जिसमें एक इंफॉर्मेशन एक पेज पर होती है। तो मेरे पास आपकी बिट कार्ड्स हैं और वो बिट कार्ड्स मैं आपके बच्चों को दिखाऊंगी। और उससे पहले आई वांटेड ऑल ऑफ यू टू लुक एट इट। और जब आप देखोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि अलग अलग फोटो के अलग अलग डिस्क्रिप्शन को हमने आप इंग्लिश में, हिंदी में, अपने लोकल लैंग्वेज में, जिसमें भी। सो मेरे पास आज कुछ कार्ड्स हैं जिस पे हम बात कर रहे हैं। और इसी कार्ड्स में कल मैं आपको राइट ब्रेन डेवलप करना बताऊंगी और आज इन्हीं बिट कार्ड से मैं आपको लेफ्ट ब्रेन डेवलप करना बताऊंगी। So good morning everyone. I want all of you to look at the screen. So मेरे पास I have a camera. This is a camera. The color of my camera is black. And this is a old style camera where people, those who like photography, they use it. So you have a camera at home. Cell phone. This is a cell phone and the lady is taking the picture. Caterpillar. Caterpillar is an insect and this caterpillar is green in color. I have ice cubes. I like my cold drink chilled. And to make it chilled, I use lot of ice. Oh my god, this is a beautiful iris flower. This is a purple flower. This is an old style ink pot. This ink, we put it in our pen and we write with it. Window. How many of you have window? From window, we look out. And if I look out from this window, I can see there is a park outside or a garden. Watch. Watch tells us time. And this is a wristwatch. Wristwatch means आप अपने कलाई में पहन सकते हो इसको। Winter. I love winter season. Winter season for me is a season where I can eat lot of gajar ka halwa. So winter with me related to gajar ka halwa. How many of you like gajar ka halwa? Eagle. This is a picture of bald eagle. Bald eagle has big talons in and a very big beak. Talons होते हैं उसके पैर के नाखून. Eggs. These are eggs. Egg has yolk. An egg you can eat burji or you can eat fry egg. You can make paratha also. Engine. How many of you have traveled by train? And train is generally carried by engine which is in front. And I think this is a steam engine. This is a vest. Boys put up vest when they go for some formal function. This is a van. Van is a transport. It can accommodate 8 people. Venus. Venus is a planet. and you can see in space. You cannot see it with your naked eyes. You need a telescope. Ocean. Our earth is full of water. 70% of earth is water in form of ocean and lakes and sea around. This is number 1. I have number 1 on the screen. You will see number 1 in your maths book. This is oval. This is a shape. It is black oval. Oh wow, such a nice and cute mouse I have. This is a cute mouse. Mop. आपकी मम्मा घर पे मॉपिंग करती है इन सब चीज़ों से. सो हम घर की सफाई करते हैं मॉप से. Mask. All of you know that mask is very important now. You should not go out without a mask. Take the mask and go out. This is number 9. Number 9 you will find in your maths column in your book. And this is nest. Nest is something made by birds. It is a bird house. Bird's house is nest. So thank you very much parents for watching it, and thank you very much all the students for watching it. We will be back with lot of new more pictures for you all. God bless.